Welcome to room 7604 on the beautiful Disney Wonder. As we enter, the first room here is the bathroom with Disney's fabulous H2O products. This is just the toilet area of the bathroom. And this is the shower area and tub. One of the many reasons we love Disney Cruise Line, for the tub and the split bathroom. If you realize, the Disney Wonder is one of Disney's older ships, and so you don't have to put your key card in to turn the lights on. I'm taking it all in, guys. Disney was my very first cruise in life, and it was the sister ship to the Wonder, the Disney Magic, in 2005. That was my first time cruising. And so now to be on the Wonder, the sister ship to my first ship, the Magic, is a dream come true, and it makes my grand slam. That means you've done all 4 Disney ships when you have a grand slam Disney cruise. So take a look around. Beautiful room, beautiful space. See the nautical cupboards and drawers. I love it. I love Disney's touches. Attention to detail is very much Disney. So yeah, this is what we have. And I mean, they're very spacious, and there are many. Obviously, this is supposed to be for families, ideally. I'm traveling by myself to show you around and show you that adults can have fun on Disney Cruise Line too. But I am a mom and I much prefer cruising on Disney with my family. However, for this trip, we're gonna get into some of the many activities that adults can enjoy on board. One of which is a room to yourself, even if you're traveling with your kids, because trust me, they'll want to be in the Oceanaires Club the whole time. There you go. Thanks for watching.